And if you want a double bunk bed situation for your Pilote, the V630S Expression will be the perfect choice with the final price of 68,990. And what I mean about double bunk bed, well, you will see later on that part. So standard Fiat Ducato chassis van with a sitting bench position, pretty comfortable for 4 people. Large storage cabinet unit on that part. Well, cookware, 2 burners and actual sink. The same style cabinets all around, pretty wide and deep, with the trash bin right up there. Additional storage unit right up there, with big towering fridge all the way down there. An additional storage unit up there. Wide sliding door with sink, that for cassette toilet and actual shower unit. Let's open the lights so we get a better look. And on this part we can check a double bunk bed, lower part and upper part, with this greatly designed storage and hook points for your bags, so you can take them out, fill up at home and bring them into the camper. Well, amazing. This looks like a pretty great amount of space, so we are looking at about 1.844 on the upper part, and it's actually about 1.648, so pretty wide bed on the upper part. We'll be measuring the lower bed from the outside and going on the back, so we can check the bed from this side is 1.845 and on the widest part is 1.972. So here you will be having a comfortable sleep for 4 people. Pretty amazing. And there is a smaller actual garage unit, 0.720, and on the larger part it's about 1.8. But it's a great design if you don't want a pop-up roof, but if you want to sleep on the back.